What does it mean when my car is making a knocking noise? Unfortunately, that's a very difficult question to answer because there are so many things that can cause a knocking noise. It's probably not like a squirrel or something in your glove box knocking, so we can rule that out. Okay, but if it's when the engine's running, we could have anything from, say, an alternator or AC compressor, or we can, on this particular car, we have some noises because it has cam phasers that it has a problem with. This is a 2014 Camry, I believe. If the knocking is maybe more up front, we could have a fan issue. If the knocking's when we go over bumps, well, then that's going to be some sort of a suspension problem. If we have a knocking inside the dash, that's probably going to be what we call an actuator that controls the doors that control your temperature and where your air blows.